Those are the companies which I am representing. And Grain Energy.
Mweri umwe kuma bunge ya muriko gukirikana itwikite gitumiro kia mahaki wari thutha wa riboti ya cukari wa ngungo guteanirio maita meri na iria yaharirio ni kamiti ya hamwe ya urimi na wonjoria.
Is the sugar safe or not safe? No other question.
In Parliament, you don't have to say that which is already...
Kamiti ya mahinya ma bunge hari guthingatithia wigiririki ni yambiriirie uthuthuria makihuga mahuri a bunge aria kurerikana ni mahaki kuguithia riboti iyo na kugitira andu amwe aria marehete cukari ucio. Wa mbere gukinya giikaro-ini giki hari mubunge wa Kimilili Didmas Baraza uria ugite murugamiri wa atumia wa Jia Fatuma Gedi ni waheanaga mbeca ta githeri gutigirira riboti iyo ni yaregwo bunge-ini akiuga mari na murunawe wa muhoroni James Koyo uria ureganire na ndeto iyo. No kurigana na mubunge wa Naivasha Jane Kihara uri uma wake ri kuhungwo mahuri, mubunge wa Nakuru Town David Gikaria ni wari mutafari munene wa kwe abunge a Nakuru besha kuhagura riboti ino.
Ingawa kuna wale kusema kweli walikula pesa. Hata kuna mmoja alinikujia hapa kwetu Nakuru. Akaniambia ati yeye ndiye ameambiwa aongee na wabunge wa Nakuru, awaambie hii ripoti tunaangusha. Nikamuuliza kwa nini? Kwa sababu hiyo watu wametajwa pale ni watu wa Uhuru.
It's not correct.
I see, but what is in the clip is correct. No. What is in the clip is correct. The clip you saw.
That it was myself, yes.
And that you are, of course, you are the one who is saying what you are saying.
But Mr. Chairman, the clip does not say that I was approached with cash. It was just to tell me that we are not voting for the report.
Agi aria mahugiro mahurini hamwe na mubunge wa Seresia John Waluke, mubunge wa muhoroni James Koyo, aya othe makiregana na riboti cia mahaki.
Honorable Speaker, I deny that I did not see anything because we could not communicate when he's sitting on the opposition side and I'm sitting on the government side.
It has been said all over that this is a house of cards. That one does. How comes that it has not been taken up? That is an issue.
Wa muthia uria ni mubunge wa Matungu Justice Murunga agitumura gicaja mabere ya kamiti ino mukurigana nake kamiti ino niyo eno wahakirwo kugerera mitambo ya CCTV na ugu akauga ni mahinde maranagwo gwika uthuthuria.
It is not a threat, but you know, if you appear before us and you appear reluctant to answer questions, the committee can escalate this matter beyond just the jokes you are engaging in here about CCTV.
If you want to get the evidence on what happened during that day,
I have not asked you. I have not asked you about evidence of what happened. I've asked you whether what is reported is correct, and that did you ever say anything like this?
It is untrue what is reported here.
Period. That's all what we have been looking for, Honorable Murunga.
Ikamiti ino ikagomana wake rikiumia giguka kuri aria magwetetwo ndumwe na mwikuiro munene Fatuma Gedi makahugwo mahuri. Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riako ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.